These 5 birds sing at frequencies you won't believe. Number 5. European goldfinch. Known for their rapid, high-pitched trills and songs reaching around 6,000 to 7,500 Hz. Number 4. Cedar waxwing. Their high, thin calls can reach frequencies of around 7,000 to 8,500 Hz. Number 3. Golden-crowned kinglet. Their high, thin calls can reach frequencies of around 7,000 to 8,500 Hz. Number 2. Blackpoll warbler. This tiny has highest pitched songs among North American birds, around 8,000 to 10,000 Hz. Number 1. Brown-headed nuthatch. Their calls can reach around 8,000 to 10,000 Hz. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.